people naturally prefer time alone, and that can be fine. Roughly 50% of the population can be categorized as introverts, meaning they get the most value in life out of time spent on their own. Being alone can offer a rich psychological experience, but too much isolation can have negative impact on both one's physical and mental health. I learned this, but being alone boosts creativity. Creativity tends to flourish in solitude. Human beings in general, and creativity in particular, are sensitive to criticism from others, which is one reason why so many of us are able to think more clearly when we are alone. To enjoy being alone, try to remember that solitude is a great opportunity to reflect and grow as a person. When I'm alone, I always find the way to engage myself in creativity. Recently, I started to write a story to express my feelings. It not only increases my imagination but also keeps me happy. Painting always a fun and creative activity. There are endless opportunities that not only fill your time but also result in a handmade object. Having floral painting around you can trigger cheerful feelings, elevate the spirit, and bring a sense of optimism to life. Nature offers a basic answer for improving our well being with flowers.